Alright, I wonder what the symbol for this is. Right now, this could be an ethanol train. Alright guys, I didn't get the symbol for this ethanol train, so if you know the Norfolk Southern train symbol and the Norfolk Southern train destination for the ethanol train in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video, okay? Bye, and that's all for now.
Yeah, 2 more.
If you know the Norfolk Southern train symbol and the Norfolk Southern train never mind. If you know the Norfolk Southern train symbol and the Norfolk Southern train destination for this ethanol train in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video, okay? Bye, and that's all for now.